Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We recently got back from a 4-day cruise to Nassau and perfect day on Freedom of the Seas. Today I'm going to be going over a balcony room overview. But before we get started, please be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the informative content I have to share. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is a balcony room overview for room 6556. Walking in, you are immediately greeted with the vanity and TV, also a sitting area, and the king bed is actually two twin beds put together. So you have a king size bed, and you have a couple of nightstands. You have a phone on one side of the nightstand, and the phone does have a USB charger. Walking into the bathroom, you have a nice sink area, a medicine cabinet. You have a good sized shower. I was able to fit in there and had plenty of elbow room. On this cruise, we did celebrate Melanie's birthday. We had a wonderful dinner at Chop's Grill, and also had some wonderful Italian dinner at Giovanni's. Okay, on to the balcony. So this is a view while we were still in the Port of Miami. You can see that the deck has a nice table, 2 lounge chairs, a pretty good sized room, and you can definitely see the port and beautiful Miami in the distance. Wanted to also give you another balcony perspective while the ship was sailing away from the Port of Miami. And here's a few more balcony perspectives a little farther out sea, one from a few miles away from Miami, and then pulling into Nassau, and lastly, a nice balcony view from Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Well, that about wraps it up. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time on The Healthy Traveler.